So guys, we are with you in the old city, Stary Город, the historical center. Over there you can see the monument of Mighty Gruzi, the mother of Georgia. The cable road and Narikana, the fortress. I think I will go there tomorrow. Храм Метехи, Metehi Church over here, and the bank of the river Kura. Behind me, guys, is the Bridge of Peace, Most Mira, a very famous tourist attraction here, across the Kura river. That is the river that goes through the whole city of Tbilisi. Reka Kura, the Kura river. And the pedestrian bridge. Now we will walk along that bridge in the direction of the metro station. A man with a monkey and a big parrot. I think they offer to take pictures with them, of course for money, not for free. So guys, the Bridge of Peace, Most Mira. And the view to the old Tbilisi. Guys, it's not very long. I think 150 meters. I have to check this info, but I think approximately like that. Go with you in the direction of the metro station and go back home. I have to go to the shop to buy some food. And now it's about, I think, 7:30. Almost 8 o'clock, soon will be very dark. So I have to get closer to my home, to the apartment where we live. So guys, I go back to the bridge because the metro station in the opposite direction. So guys, went in the wrong direction. Now I have to cross the bridge once again because the metro station is in that direction. So that's always happen with me. I go in the wrong direction, but the view was gorgeous and I wanted to film the bridge for you, so it's not a problem to go back. I thought that I made a very long way on foot today, but no, I checked my application, approximately 8,000 feet, 1,000 steps, sorry, 8,000 steps per one day. So during today, that is not much, honestly. That is, guys, the queue to the cable road. Look guys, what a wonderful metal tree near the Bridge of the Peace. Europe Square. Площадь Европы. This one. by public transport. 345. 345 is the number. About 8:30. I am almost near the apartment where we live with Alex. I think I will go to Spar shop, that is a chain of shop, and will buy some food because today I had only lunch. Maybe we'll buy some food for tomorrow.